why Austria? Why именно Austria? Why not Belarus or Sri Lanka? So I give my voice to Afghanistan because it is the best singer in the world. And you Europeans, you are one Garlach. Garlach means one Chmoshnik. You are all Chmoshnik, and London is a capital of Pakistan. And next time, Europeans, don't make mistake. If you make mistake, I will kick your ass and slap chapalach your face to face. And you imatsek, remember our dog Vartan Ghukasyan next time will tumamba you all mothers tumamba. Nerkevitz vertselu ekala. He will you destination you nation. Եղավարա նես չանեք որ sense общий սաղովդ տակից վերցե կարա. And remember next time you will choose Patagni or Afghanistan. Ay, yes,